Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Guys, let's do this question. I read the question. Show that the general solution of DE, that is differential equation 2x squared dy over dx is equals to x squared plus y squared may be expressed as xc equals to e raised to negative 2x all over y minus x. And so guys, we start off the question. And guys, the first thing we are going to do is to divide by 2x squared on both sides. And so when we do that, we shall have this. That is dy all over dx equals to a half plus y squared 2x squared. Having this squared, if these variables are both squared, then or they have the same power, guys, we use the substitution of v equals to yx. And therefore, guys, this is what we are going to substitute with. That is y squared all over x squared. This is going to give us v squared. At the same time, guys, dy dx is supposed to be equal to dy over dx in terms of v and x. Guys, this one comes to v plus x dv dx. So guys, we replace our dy dx with that. And so guys, let me just replace and then we continue. So guys, I've already replaced my dy dx and also y squared over x squared with v squared. Guys, now we can separate the variable. We move v on this side. And so we shall be left with x dv over dx. And on this other side, we have a half minus v squared over 2. Guys, we can bring this v here. So this is now going to be, here we have, guys, this was a plus. I can correct. This was plus. So this is plus, and this v is going to be minus v. Can put this this v under the same denominator as these others, and so we can put 2 all over 2. We have not changed anything, and so therefore, guys, we shall have x dv all over dx equals to, all this is going to be over 2. And so, guys, we can even start with v squared minus 2v plus 1, which is still the same as whatever is up there. Guys, from there, we separate now the variables, whereby we can bring this v squared minus 2v on this side, this one on this side, and x can go on this other side. So on this side, guys, we shall have dx all over x, and on this other side, we shall have 2 all over v squared minus 2v plus 1, and here we have the dv, like that. Guys, from there we just now come and integrate on both sides. But before we do that, guys, as you can see, this forms a complete square, and so we shall have 2 all over v minus 1 squared. Guys, if you square that, this is what you are going to get. And here we have the dv equals to dx all over x. Guys, now we can integrate both sides. And by so doing, guys, we shall have on this side, we can actually now write 2, bring this v to become the denominator, to become a denominator. This one now becomes negative 2. dv, we integrate that, and we also integrate this 1 over x dx. Guys, now integrating this side shall add here negative 2 plus 1 gives us negative 1. So we shall have negative on this side, which is now negative 2, all over. This one will be v minus 1 raised to negative 1, which is the same as v minus 1 raised to 1 when it is down here. Because right here it is negative 1, right here is positive 1. On this other side, we shall have natural log of x now plus c, which we can express as natural log of c. And so therefore, guys, we shall have negative 2 all over v minus 1, which can still remain like that, equals to this one. We can combine this, and this one will get natural log of x multiplied by c. That is according to the laws of logarithm. Guys, now we can replace for y for v. Replacing, guys, we are going to have negative 2 there, all over y over x. That is because we know v is equals to y over x, minus 1, and the y, 1 can be expressed for us to make them the same denominator. We can write x all over x. Of which, guys, this is still correct because this is 1. Here we have natural log of x, c. So from there, guys, we just come and now write negative 2 all over. We can now express this one as y minus x over x. And the x can now come here. So we are left with y minus x down there equals to natural log of x multiplied by c. Guys, we can express this one in form of indices. And expressing that, we shall have xc, x multiplied by c is equals to e. As you know, this is log xc to base e. And so therefore e comes there. And this one now becomes the power. Negative 2 x all over y minus x. And guys, this is the solution we were looking for. So guys, yes, the solution is right here. And so guys, thank you.